Welcome to my channel Homeschool Learner Know the World. Today we will learn about Velociraptor. In Latin, Velociraptor means swift caesar. Velociraptor is a genus of dromaeosaurid theropod dinosaur that lived approximately 75 to 71 million years ago during the latter part of the Cretaceous period. Two species are currently recognized, although others have been assigned in the past. The type species is V. mongoliensis. Fossils of this species have been discovered in Mongolia. A second species, V. osmolska, was named in 2008 for skull material from Inner Mongolia, China. The scientific classification of Velociraptor is Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, clade Dinosauria, clade Soricea, clade Theropoda, family Dromaeosauridae, subfamily Velociraptorinia, genus Velociraptor. Smaller than other dromaeosaurids like Deinonychus and Achilobacter, Velociraptor nevertheless shared many of the same anatomical features. It was a bipedal, feathered carnivore with a long tail and enlarged sickle-shaped claw on each hindfoot, which is thought to have been used to tackle and tear into prey. Velociraptor can be distinguished from other dromaeosaurids by its long and low skull with an upturned snout. Velociraptor is one of the dinosaur genera most familiar to the general public due to its prominent role in the Jurassic Park motion picture series. In real life, however, Velociraptor was roughly the size of a turkey, considerably smaller than the approximately 2 meter and all about 6.5 feet tall and 80 kg reptiles seen in the films, which were based on member of the related genus Deinonychus. Today, Velociraptor is well known to paleontologists with over a dozen described fossil skeletons, the most of any dromaeosaurid. One particularly famous specimen preserved a Velociraptor locked in combat with a Protociraptor. During an American Museum of Natural History expedition to the outer Mongolian Gobi Desert on 11th August 1923, Peter Kaysen recovered the first Velociraptor fossil known to science, a crushed but complete skull associated with one of the raptorial second toe claws, AMNH 6515. In 1924, museum president Henry Fairfield Osborn designated the skull and claw, which he assumed to come from the hand, as the type specimen of his new genus Velociraptor. This name is derived from the Latin words velox, which means swift, and raptor, which means robber or plunderer, and refers to the animal's carnivorous nature and carnivorous diet. Osborn named the type species V. Mongoliensis after its country of origin. Earlier that year, Osborn had mentioned the animal in a popular press article under the name Oviraptor dz. However, because the name Oviraptor was not published in a scientific journal or accompanied by a formal description, it is considered a nomen nudum and the name Velociraptor retains priority. While North American teams were shut out of Communist Mongolia during the Cold War, expedition by Soviet and Polish scientists, in collaboration with Mongolian colleagues, recovered several more species of Velociraptor. The most famous is part of the famous fighting dinosaur specimen GIN 100 by 25, discovered by a Polish Mongolian team in 1971. This fossil preserves a velociraptor in battle against a Protociraptors. This specimen is considered a national treasure of Mongolia, and in 2000 it was loaned to the American Museum of Natural History in New York City for a temporary exhibition. Between 1988 and 1990, a joint Chinese-Canadian team discovered Velociraptor remains in northern China. American scientists returned to Mongolia in 1990 and a joint Mongolian-American expedition to the Gobi, led by the American Museum of Natural History and the Mongolian Academy of Science, turned up several well-preserved skeletons. One such specimen, IGM 100 by 980, was nicknamed Ika Brodchroniosaurus by Norrell's team because this fairly complete specimen was found without its skull. While Norrell and Makovici provisionally considered it a specimen of Velociraptor mongoliensis, it was named as a new species relatively in 2021. Maxilla and a lacrimal, the main tooth-bearing bones of the upper jaw and the bone that forms the anterior margin of the eye socket respectively, recovered in 1999 by the Sino-Belgian dinosaur expeditions, were found to pertain to Velociraptor but not to the type species V. mongoliensis. Pascal Gottfried and colleagues named these bones V. osmolska for Polish paleontologist Halska Osmilska in 2008.